In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Lovable AI. Let's start by getting to the Lovable site. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This is helpful if you don't have the direct link saved. In the search bar, type Lovable and look for the official Lovable AI website in the results. You can also go straight to the site by entering its web address in the address bar if you already know it. Either way works. The goal is simply to land on the Lovable dashboard page. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Use your usual login details and complete any verification if it's prompted. After you're signed in, you should be looking at your dashboard, where all of your projects and tools are accessible. Next, move your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, typically your avatar or initials. Click it to open your account panel. This is where Lovable groups personal preferences and quick settings, so it's the right place to adjust how the app looks and feels. In the panel that opens, find the Appearance option. On desktop, hover your mouse over Appearance to reveal additional choices. If you're on a device without hover, such as a tablet or phone, simply tap or click Appearance to expand it. You should now see the theme options laid out clearly. From the available themes, choose Dark. As soon as you select Dark, the interface should switch immediately, updating the background, text, and highlights to a darker palette. This reduces eye strain in low-light environments and can make extended sessions more comfortable. If the change doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to update or navigate to another part of the dashboard to confirm the switch took effect. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you ever want to compare themes, you can return to the same appearance section and switch back to light or another option. Dark mode typically sticks with your account settings, so the next time you sign in from the same browser, your preference should remain in place. If you use multiple devices, repeat this quick change on each one so your experience stays consistent everywhere. That's it. Just open Lovable, sign in, click your profile at the lower left, hover over Appearance, and select Dark. Enjoy the refreshed look, and feel free to toggle it any time as your lighting or preference changes.